One of our favorite things to do over Christmas is to go on the Polar Express train in Williams, Arizona. We've been 3 times now, and we want to share some tips and tricks to make your adventure on the Polar Express train a fun and memorable experience. What is it?
These tickets are very important because you are going to go on the Polar Express train to meet Santa.
The first thing that you're going to want to do is get your tickets. It shouldn't be a surprise, but the Polar Express train fills up quickly, so make sure you get your tickets early.
The next thing you're going to want to do is to get your kids excited about going on the Polar Express train. There's a couple things that we did. First of all, we read the book, The Polar Express. The Polar Express is an actual book by Chris Van Allsburg. You can read that book with your kids. We also enjoyed watching the Polar Express movie with our kids. Both of these things got them really excited about going on the train.
Now that you got your kids all excited about the Polar Express train, think of a fun way to let them know that they got tickets for the train.
If you do a quick Google search, you'll find out there are a ton of printables of people who have already made up fun Polar Express tickets, just like the one from the book or the movie. Whatever you do, think of a fun way to surprise your kids to let them know they're going to be going on the train.
If you're headed to Williams, Arizona from out of town like us, you might want to consider staying at a hotel. And we loved staying at the Grand Canyon Railway Hotel. Tell us about our lucky room number.
So, our room number is 1344, and from the Polar Express, the character is still called Billy.
Next stop, 11344 Edbrook Avenue. Next stop, 11344 Edbrook Avenue.
Hi. Mama.
It is super convenient. It is literally steps away from the train depot for the Polar Express train.
One thing we really like about the Grand Canyon Hotel is its heated swimming pool. So you're going to want to check into the hotel as early as you can, put on your swimsuits, and then go for a swim.
Even though it is snowing outside, we are going to go swimming because they have a heated pool here. Ready? Fill the water for me. Is it cold or warm?
It's warm.
It's warm?
Yeah.
Melikilikimaka is a thing to say on a bright and wild Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day, all the stars at night. Melikilikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, the swimming pool is big, it is nice and warm, there's a hot tub, and these girls have been having a fun time in the pool. But when you got a swimming pool and snow, you got to try to earn the Polar Bear Award. Let's see if these girls are brave enough to do it. Who wants to earn the Polar Bear Award?
Me.
Okay, so what you have to do to get the Polar Bear Award is you have to go outside, you have to make a snow angel, and then you jump back in the water. Okay? Okay, let's do it. Go, 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 go. Lay down, lay down, lay down, Letty. Lay down, snow angel, snow angel. Hurry, hurry, go inside, hurry, run inside. Go jump in.
Yeah.
Jump in the pool, jump in. This one. Liza's a polar bear, come on, hurry, go jump in the pool. Hurry, come on. Hurry, good job, hurry, jump in the pool. Jump in. Woo!
After going swimming, I like to bring everybody back to the hotel room, put them in the bath, get them all clean, put on their fun pajamas they're going to be wearing, and then you're going to want to dress up in your layers that you're going to need for the train. Think hats, gloves, warm jackets, all of that on top of your pajamas. So don't be embarrassed, even if you're an adult, make sure you're wearing your pajamas. When you reserve your tickets online, you'll notice that there are 2 train times that you can attend. one that's earlier in the evening and one that's later in the evening. Our tip is to always go on the later train departure. We like to do this because number one, it's darker, and number two, it gives us a chance to feed our kids before we go on the train, so nobody's riding the train hangry.
Another reason why we like staying at the Grand Canyon Hotel is the buffet-style Fred Harvey restaurant. Okay, swimming was fun. Now we are gonna go get a bite to eat at the little restaurant that's right here. They have a great buffet. You can do a package deal with the hotel where you get your hotel, tickets to the train, and buffets for both dinner and breakfast all included. We love the buffet. It was fast, it was convenient, and it was super delicious. And don't forget to order some hot chocolate.
After you get done eating, you're gonna wanna take a few steps over to the train depot because there's a ton of fun activities for you to do before you even get on the train. They have coloring activities. You can write a letter to Santa. You can take a picture with Santa and Mrs. Claus. They have a live skit that reenacts a scene from the Polar Express video. And they even have a naughty and nice detector that is surprisingly accurate. Of course, our favorite part of the trip was getting to ride the Polar Express train.
What is it? The Polar Express.
You excited to go on the Polar Express, man?
Yeah. So you're gonna head up and to the left. I love your outfit. And take in your if you need it. Are you guys excited? Welcome, guys. Hi there.
You can cross your Nice. You like this? Ready? Look at my finger. Keep looking at my finger. Keep looking at my finger. Oh, you got it. She had it for a second. Look at my finger. Look at my finger. Oh, he's like, I'm looking at anything but your finger.
Uh-oh. The train is starting to move. Here we go.
All aboard! All aboard! Tickets, please, tickets. Well, you're coming? Never takes a rest. You can ride for free. You bet. Golly, look at him go! 'Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
Attention, please. Are there any Polar Express passengers in need of refreshments? Yeah! A hot chocolate?
Oh, we got it! Hey, we got it! Say, we got it! Oh, we got it! So, we got it! No, we got it! Here we've only got one rule. Never, ever let it cool. Keep it cooking in the pot. Here we go!
Here's your hot chocolate cake.
Oh, we got it! Hey, we got it! Say, we got it! Oh, we
After they got us all sugared up, they have a Polar Express book read-along. The chocolatiers will go up and down the aisle showing the kids the pictures from the book. If you want, you can bring your own Polar Express book to follow along. By the time you've finished reading the Polar Express book, you've almost made it to the North Pole.
North Pole, we got a surprise visit from the big man in red himself.
All right. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Our trip back from the North Pole was just as much fun as our trip to the North Pole. The Chocolatiers got everyone on their feet singing Christmas carols together.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. The mistletoe hung where you can see somebody waits for you. Yes, sir, once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh my golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
We had a thoroughly good time enjoying the Polar Express train.
We have lucked out every time that we have gone on the Polar Express train. It has snowed every time. So make sure you bring your snow clothes and a sled and whatever else you want to have fun in the snow. We'll close you out with some of the fun that we had playing in the snow in Williams, Arizona. Thanks so much for watching our video. Bye!
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna